I'm here, but I'm not doing a video. So this is a little short kind of video, but this is Asia's video actually. She's gonna I guess she's gonna do her little video. I'm gonna turn the camera to her. There's a video that we want to do a little shout out actually to one of our subscribers. They ran a giveaway and Asia entered the giveaway and she actually won. So she's gonna take over the camera. She's gonna do the little unboxing and she's gonna explain to you the gift, who gave it to her, what channel, and all that good stuff. So she wants to do this one real quick so she can post her own little video onto our channel. It's the first time Asia does a video on her own. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to her so she can do a little video and do her little unboxing. She can show you what she got on the giveaway. So I'm gonna turn the camera over to her.
Hi guys, you know who I am. This is Asia. Today I'm gonna be unboxing a giveaway from Hershey Park Fun and Vlogs, aka Gracie. I entered the giveaway and I won. And today I'm just going to be unboxing the giveaway that she gave me. If you have time, please go check out her channel. My mom is going to put it in the description box below. Let's get to it. This is the gift I got, and this is the bag it came in. This is her other channel, Realistic Grace, and this is who she is. Now let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so I have the bag right here, and I'm going to open it and see what I got. So first, I got a little card, which I'm going to read first before I open anything. There's a little flower that's so cute. It says, "Congrats, Asia, on winning the Sweet Dream set. Thank you for entering / supporting my channel, Realistic Grace." Here's the items it includes. Alright, let's open the bag now. Or let's get the stuff out of the bag. First, I got a mini pillow, and it's so soft. I would want to sleep with. I'm gonna sleep with this. I think this might be a shark or a dolphin, but it's really cute. I love it. I'm gonna sleep with this too. And let's see what else is in the bag. I got a Laffy Taffy. It's a mystery swirl. It's a candy. I might eat that soon. Purple nail polish. Toe things so you can paint your toes for pedicures. I got some watermelon chapstick, and I got my favorite lollipop in the entire world, Tootsie Pops, and I think it's cherry. This is everything. This is all I got in the bag from the giveaway. I really appreciate the gift, Gracie. I love all the things that you put in the bag, especially this dolphin shark. I don't even know what it is. But thank you, Gracie. I really appreciate it. When I start uploading videos, I'm going to start a giveaway and maybe you could enter it. I still don't know what I'm giving away, but still, maybe you could enter it. Thanks for the gifts, Gracie. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching my first video, guys. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of my first video. I really appreciate your support. Always remember, stay Hershey Park happy, and remember to have a happy Hershey Kisses day. And always stay chocolatey, my friends. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys!